Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you're doing well. So let's see today's problem. Segregate zeros and ones. So what the problem is saying is we'll be given an array consisting of zeros and ones only in random order. We want to modify the array in place to segregate zeros onto the left side and ones onto the right side of the array. So what the problem is saying is we want to segregate. So this will be the given array, for example, and we want to segregate zeros on the left hand side, all the zeros, right? That in short, we have to sort and that to in place. Okay, and that to in place, right? No new array. In the same array, we want to do the segregation of zeros and ones. Okay. And the time complexity is expected time complexity is O of n and space complexity is O of 1. Okay. Now, how can we solve the problem? So let's see the brute force approaches. So one simple solution can be to sort this array, right? But again, the time complexity it is going to take is n log n. Okay, n log n. Okay, so and the expected time complexity is O of n. So we cannot use this solution. Okay. Another can be we can take another array, right? We can take another array. Okay, and what we simply can do is we will iterate through this array, count the number of zeros, right? Count the number of zeros. So how many zeros are there? Three zeros are there. Okay, so at the end what we'll do, we will run a for loop, right? And we'll insert three zeros and the remaining will fill up with the ones. Okay, but again here it will take extra space O of n and the expected space complexity is O of 1. So again we cannot use this solution. So how can we solve this problem? So we can solve this problem using two pointer approach. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take two pointers L and R. Okay, L and R. Okay, and what we'll do, we will keep moving this pointer, okay, till we find or until we don't find till we find zero. Okay, so we'll keep moving this pointer. For example, right here it is zero, so let's move our L pointer. Okay, 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 and here for similarly for R also we will keep moving, keep decrementing the pointer until we find one. Okay, but here the R is pointing to zero, so we'll stop here. Okay, and here L is still pointing to zero, so we'll move our pointer. Okay, and we'll come on one now. Okay, now it is one. Array of what L is one, so we'll stop here. Okay, so what we'll do when we cannot proceed further, right? Or when we cannot move backwards, so we are going to swap these elements. Okay, so what we're going to do, we are going to do swapping. Okay, so what the array will look like now? 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, this is what the it will look like, right? Now L was pointing here and R was pointing here. So now after swapping the elements, we will also increment our L and decrement our R. So R will also point here. Now we'll stop here because our condition, our while loop will run from when L is less than R. But now L and R are both at same position, and hence we'll stop here, and also it will signify that we have the zeros and ones segregated in the array. Okay, the simple thing is, again I'm repeating, so we'll have two pointers L and R, right? We'll keep on moving L pointer till we find till we keep on finding zeros, right? And we'll keep on moving R pointer till we come across ones. Okay, once there are opposite, for example, for the L pointer we come across one, and for the R pointer we come across zero. So we'll stop there, we'll swap the elements, we'll increment L, decrement R, and again do the same operation. Okay, okay, so let's quickly code. I think you'll understand better. Okay, so before going to the code, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So let's quickly code. So let's take first the length of the array. Okay, length of the array we took. Then we'll take two pointers, L equal to 0, right? And R equal to n minus 1. Okay, and what will have a condition as L should be less than R. Okay, that's what our while loop will run. Now, what we are saying is we will keep incrementing L till we find 0, right? Till we find 0, and another condition is L should be less than R for this, right? So whenever we come across 0 for the L pointer, we'll increment the L pointer. Okay. Similarly, whenever we come across R of R as 1, okay, we'll keep on decrementing R. Okay. But when we find the opposites, right? When we find the opposites, now what we're doing is we are going to say if L is still less than R. If L is still less than R, then we'll swap the elements. Temp equal to R of L. So for R of L, we have found 1, and for okay, L equal to R of R, right? And R of R equal to 10. So for L of L, for R of L, we have found 1 and R of R, we have found 0. So we are going to swap in order to segregate it, in order to have zeros in the at the left side and ones on the right side. Okay. So yes, so this is a code. Okay, so yes, so again, if you see, right, the time complexity, it is going to be O of n only because we are moving linearly only, right? We are not like going like n into n, it's not n into n because we are going linear, moving linearly only. Okay, so this is a solution. Okay, I hope you've got the solution. Let me quickly compile. Okay, there's some problem. What is the problem here? Expected. What is expected? Not a statement. In temp equal to R of L. Wow. Some problem. What is the problem? This is, yeah, I don't see any problem. Let me see. My bad. So here, by mistakenly, okay, let me compile this now. Okay, so it is compiled successfully. Let me submit. It's the test case are processing. It's taking time. So the test cases seem to pass. It's taking a long time, I think, because of the internet issue. I think it will definitely pass. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video. I hope you've got the solution. Let's quickly see the C++ code as well. So yeah, the only difference is array of size we are taking. There in Java, we are taking array of length. Okay. So everything is same. No need to explain this. Okay. So we have already explained. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.